Kyosho, the finest radio control models. Introduce the Big Brute. Its realistic Nissan-style body shell is made from lightweight yet flexible Lexan and will amaze all pickup enthusiasts. The shell features a molded front grille assembly and scale appearance bed-mounted roll bar and spotlights. The Nissan-style shell sits high above the wheels, giving this pickup truck that genuine monster truck look, while the chassis is constructed using the latest engineering plastics for that extra strength that you'll require. The Big Brute's massive 130mm diameter genuine Bridgestone licensed tires will give you the best in traction in the rough and provide ultimate ground clearance for climbing over obstacles. This Big Brute has 4 oversized coilover shock absorbers, coupled to full-wheel independent double wishbone suspension to soak up even the toughest terrain. It is driven along by the powerful Mabuchi 540 electric motor, which is coupled to the precision 2-wheel drive transmission with a large planetary gear differential, giving the utmost in motoring reliability. The Big Brute's rigid construction is based on and around the monocoque chassis and its modular components, each molded in the latest high-rigidity engineering plastics and screwed together to form the backbone for this sturdy radio-controlled monster truck. The radio equipment is sealed away beneath a protective cover, not only giving protection from the elements and risk of damage, but also providing even more strength to the chassis. The battery is stored in this easy-to-access but secure cradle, making rapid battery pack changes simple when you're out on the trail. Keep on trucking with the Big Brute, only from Kyosho, the finest radio control model.